When we feel a feeling, it is felt collectively. Anything we feel, we're still looking at that fear that's kind of gripping our world. But our feelings are at a level of abstractness, at a level of like fundamental truth, that anytime we feel any feeling, our microbiome feels it too. When the microbiome feels a feeling, we feel it too. And what I'm understanding right this moment, thank you to the light of everyone in this healing webinar. I'm so grateful to all of you for showing this. It is at this level that we experience union or unity with our microbiome. So we're just going to take a moment and feel our gratitude for our personal microbiome. That includes microbes all the way from the mouth to the eliminative system. And in every cell, our mitochondria are actually unique individuals. They are unique cells, which are independent, essentially, of our, they're kind of dependent on us, but the mitochondria are actually imported from the outside. It's coming up in huge waves, you guys, huge waves. And now we can extend that wave to our Earth and to our dear coronavirus, COVID-19, SARS-CoV-19, for being here to illuminate truth, to help those individuals with more fragile or delicate physiologies to move on to a more heavenly experience, if that's what's meant to be, very gently. Clearing fear from people's solar plexus. This is in the collective now. We're still working with elimination of those darker feelings. The other thing that's clearing, I see clearing right now, is a dependence upon the blockages in the astral through etheric level of our world in order to feel comfortable. A lot of people just aren't comfortable with the truth. As a result, they cultivate. And it's not like they think, oh, I'm going to do this evil thing. I'm going to cultivate blockages in the astral through etheric level of our world so that malevolent things can happen and will not be stopped because no one will know they're there. No. That's not what people are thinking. They're just thinking short-term gains. They're just thinking problems crop up. I don't want to deal with it. I would rather run away from this than deal with it. I would rather look the other way. I would rather distract myself. I would rather procrastinate. That's all. It's very innocent. It's very innocent. So that patterning of distracting oneself or procrastinating or avoiding because we're afraid of the truth, because somehow there's this feeling of comfort. It's like cultivated. It's an illusion. It's a cultivated illusion that somehow not looking at the truth makes me feel better. Yeah, in the short run only. In the long game, it doesn't work that way. A download is coming in. This is at a collective level. This is at a world level. Thank you to our healing collective. Evolution over comfort. Evolution over comfort. Evolution first, comfort second. When we go for evolution, we also get comfort because we eliminate problems from their source. When we eliminate problems from their source, then the whole system goes, ah, right? The whole system is released from the tension that pressure, that problem was creating. And then comfort comes in a very genuine and authentic manner. But that releasing of that tension, we need to, what's happening is we're replacing that illusion in the etheric body, particularly. Looks like 4 dense levels of the body. So emotional through etheric levels of the body, or physical, emotional through physical. That illusion that short-term comfort is the answer, procrastination and distraction and running away from the truth is somehow a viable answer, is being replaced with the patterning of digging out the actual seed or source of a problem and then getting that wonderful, genuine, authentic, the seed of that imbalance is now gone. We're going for that one. It takes a little more doing. It takes a little more looking at the truth. It takes a sense of security in one's relationship with wholeness. Because when we define our relationship with the whole creation as a relationship between ourselves as individuals and the entire structure of creation, in other words, everything is between you and the divine, and all your friends and all your family and all the microbes and everything are just expressions of that divine being, then the establishment of that relationship puts one in a very authentic and simple, it simplifies relationships. It brings them down to one relationship. Myself as wholeness. Myself as wholeness. So there's the fundamental, it's the first relationship, the fundamental relationship. And what I'm getting is that relationship is also shared with the Earth's microbiome.